Skyblue today had this workshop about mirror and mud, where we were given these terracotta plates and we first covered it with mud and then we added some mirrors and we brainstormed with a lot of ideas of what we want to do, and we can now finally take this home and decorate our house. And overall it was a pretty fun workshop. We got to experiment with different mediums such as terracotta, clay, mud, even some cardboard which was mixed in the mixture. So yeah, it was a pretty new experience for me and it was very fun.
करते करते बहुत एंजॉय किया, कुछ नया सीखने को मिला इनसे और नया एक्सपीरियंस मिला.
We learned something more about geometrical shapes, plantonic forms. We explored clay, different forms such as polymer clay and natural clay, and we got to explore different mediums and it was great fun.
बहुत सारा नया सीखने को मिला और it was such a fun.
It was really fun.